Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Hi there. Welcome to Easy English Conversations. Today, we'll practice some simple questions and answers about daily routines. These are great for beginners to improve English speaking skills. Let's get started. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? The first thing I do is wash my face and brush my teeth. When do you have breakfast? I usually eat breakfast around 8 a.m. How many hours of sleep do you get? I sleep for 7 to 8 hours. When do you start your workday? I start my workday at 9 a.m. What do you usually eat for lunch? I usually eat a sandwich or a salad for lunch. When do you finish school? I finish school at 5 p.m. What do you like to do in the evening? In the evening, I like to watch TV or read a book. Do you have any evening habits? Yes, I enjoy drinking a cup of tea before going to bed. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing these simple conversations, and you'll get better at English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.